Parrots are social birds. Parrots eat a diet that contains nuts, flowers, fruit buds, seeds, and insects. Parrots are very good mimics and can copy sounds. Do parrots really talk? Mommy Tess can tell.
Hi everyone! Today is my 4th day here in Port Wales. Ito, the time now is 9:47. Actually, I woke up a bit late, kasi medyo may jet lag pa. Jet lag is real, really. Okay, so ganito sa bahay. I'm alone while my husband is at work. Ayan, so busy cleaning. Tapos na. Okay, I'm done with all my cleaning today. And I think, what else I need to do? Do the washing. Okay, that would be today. Okay, so ito yun. Look at the weather. Look at the weather. It's just a lovely weather outside. Yeah, lovely weather. Yan, yan siya. Nako po. Yan. And of course, I'm here with Koki. Ang kasama ko lang talaga dito sa bahay, no? Kung si Mark ay nasa work, ay of course yung aming talking parrot. And that's Koki. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Koki, say good morning to them. Koki, say good morning to them. Come on. Come on, Koki. Say good morning to them. Yan, yung maganda lang kay Koki, guys. Oh. Okay. Gayang-gaya niya talaga si Mark pa nagsalita. So, one day I was sleeping and I thought, umuwi na yung asawa ko kasi he speaks like Mark. Tinan niyo yan. Every now and then, no? In between yan, kapag nagsasalita ako, magsasalita din siya. But how I wish that he could also imitate my voice. But for now, kay Mark lang. Kay Mark lang talaga. Ayan, so ganyan siya. Ito na yung aming alaga. Okay? That's Koki. Okay. It's a lovely weather today. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Okay, kaya medyo kalmado ako. Medyo maganda yung mood natin, hindi masyado malamig. So, hindi ko kailangan mag-wear ng coat or anything. Okay, so I would just have, a short conversation with Koki, okay? Join me. So, guys, let me introduce to you our talking parrot, Koki. Say good morning to them, Koki. Say good morning to them. Come on. Say good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Wales. Koki, just say good morning. Dance. Dance. Come on, baby. Dance. Dance. Dance, 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 dance. Okay, this is a cage of Koki. Ayan, so this is a huge cage so that he has big space to roam around the area. Ayan, kompleto yan. Meron siya. Yan yung mga pagkain niya. He has peanuts. Anong klaseng seeds kaya yan? I'm not sure what kind of a seed is that. Ayan, so may mga ganyan siya. Koki, I'm just telling a story about you. Don't be naughty. Ayan, so may mga iba't ibang seeds siya. Every day we're changing that, okay? So ganyan lang siya. Ganyan siya kakalat. And Koki, Ito, meron siyang water. Ayan. So, every day we're also changing that. And then the other tub, yun yung sa watermelon niya, yun sa fruits niya. Okay, he has watermelon, he has oranges, he has apples. Napakamahal. Napakamahal ng parrot na to. Diba, right, Cocky? Yes? I'll try to speak in Filipino so that one day you could learn and you can imitate, okay, a Filipino language. What's that? What are you doing? Are you asking me what I'm doing? Are you? Are you asking me what I'm doing? Well, I'm just telling a story about you. See, I'm telling them this is your cage. Okay, I'm telling them how playful you are. Okay, ayan, ang dami mong toys. Ayan, dyan siya nagsiswing. Ayan, ang dami niyang laruan. Ang dami talaga. What's that again? Come on, say it loud. Say it loud, baby. Come on. Say it loud. Just tell them your name. What else do you want? Are you looking for Mark? Yes? Yes, Cocky? Yes, come on. Come on. I know you can dance. Come on, you can dance. Okay, so again, this is Cocky's cage. Ganyan siya. Yan. Pero ako talaga, hindi ako nalapit sa kanya. Cocky is very unpredictable, okay? So, ayan na naman siya. Wherever I go, he follows me. Yan, wherever I go, really follows me. Cocky. Pag ganyan, ayaw niya. Ayoko sa I can talk to him, but I couldn't get nearer to him kasi very unpredictable talaga siya. Ayan, pag tumataas na yung balahibo niya, oh. Ready. Yan. Yes, Cocky. Come dance. Dance. Dance, Cocky. Dance. Dance. Ako lang sa mood. Wala lang. Yan lang kami. Yan lang kami. Kaming dalawa lang dito nag-uusap kapag sa bahay. Ayan. Iikot ako. Ayan. Susundan niya ako niyan. Susundan niya ako. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya pag kumilos. So. Okay. Cocky, come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Ganyan siya. Oh, yan na. Oh. Tadaan! Nako po. So, ganyan lang po. Ganyan talaga si Cocky. Okay, one day, I would try to record kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya talaga. Diba? Ganyan siya. Very noisy, lalo na kapag andito si Mar. But if I'm alone... Did you hear that? What are you trying to say, Cocky? What are you trying to say? Yes? Yes, Cock? Ito ang nagsasalita talaga siya. Okay. So yan lang. As I've said, I'm just introducing you to them. Okay. I'm telling them how naughty you are. Okay. And how dirty your mouth is. Filthy. I know that you have a filthy mouth. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. Eh, pagkabastos to eh. Yeah, marunong mabastos yan. See that? What are you doing? Yes, what are you doing? Tama, nagsalita siya. Okay, so until here then, say bye to them. Bye to them, Cocky. Bye to them. Mamaya, I'll try to record. Yeah, kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo. Yes? Yes, Cock? Cocky? Cocky. Sige, mamaya guys. I'll try to record. Ano yung mga sinasabi nitong Cocky na to. Okay. See you later again. Oh, that's how beautiful. That's how lovely Koki is, actually. Very entertaining. Very, very entertaining. Look at that. Okay, say bye-bye to them. Say bye-bye. Bye. I don't know. It's very good in whistling, actually.
Huh?
I'm just telling them how good you are in whistling. See, they say, what? Narinig niyo yun, guys. Sabi niyo, what? 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 What are you talking about? Galing nito. I don't know if there's a chance. Well, I'm just asking myself if there is a chance for us to take you to the Philippines, Koki. Would you like to go with us? Huh? Would you like to travel with us to the Philippines? Yes? Yes, Koki? Would you like to travel with us? Would you like to fly to the Philippines and live there? Yes? Kikinigo. Later naman, okay? Later. Later! Go. Okay, yaman na tayo, guys. Off na tayo. Off na tayo, Koki, ha? Okay? Let's have another conversation again later. Alright? Hang on. Oh, kamusta ka, Koki? Kamusta? Magpakabait ka. Yes, Kok, pakabait ka, ha? Okay, so guys, ito lang. So, ito lang yung short story natin about Koki. Just introducing him to you. Na ganun siya. Pero, alam mo, napaka... You're dead. Sabi niya, you got to. Is that what you said? Okay. Yun na, very entertaining na talaga si Koki, ano. So, I don't feel alone in that. Oh? What's that again? Are you saying something? Yeah, are you saying something? What would you like to try? What would you like to say? Come on. Speak it loud. Do it louder. So that I can hear it. Come on. Speak it loud. Come on. Speak it loud. Come on, Koki. Kita niyo yun, guys. Ganun lang siya. Minsan magtataka ka lang, ano, na, ako nagtataka ako niya. Sabi ko minsan, nakauwi na ba si Mark? Kasi he speaks like Mark talaga. Yan, gayang-gaya niya talaga. What's that again? What's that again? Yes, Ko? What's that again? Okay, would you like to dance? I know you love dancing. I know that. But it seems that you're not in the mood to do the dancing today, yes? You're not, are you not in... Yun, so come on, come on, come on, come on. Yun na lang siya. Okay. So, dun lang muna tayo, guys, no? Again, just introducing Koki to you, my companion in the house, if Mark is not around.
Was in charge of fixing potholes.
See that? My God.
Oh no, just this pack of mini cheddars. Oh, I just want to crack open that pack and never hold back. Sorry, just these mini cheddars, thanks.
Mini cheddars baked with real cheese. Neuromold dual action combined together to provide
Faster, longer lasting, more flexible than regular painkillers alone.
hit pain hard.
With Neuromold dual action therapy.
Contains alcohol for pain relief by regular painkillers and Orphanol paracetamol individually.
Always read the label. The Queen of Finland Twins is back. Jessie Key returns with her brand new novel, Dead Heat. Chrissy Doyle has never been weak. It's how she built.
Corky out the cage.
Oh,
Come on, Corky.
can I help you put some
Du clever Nila.
I know.
Poo now. You poo.
You did?
No, you better know.
Corky.
Turn around.
Corky. Turn around.
Go outside, love. Slow. Go on there.
He's doing alright, by the way. You know, the sun. I mean, isn't it?
Yes, Cork. Corky.
I can't even hold him. He's too fragile.
Out of the cage now. Yes? Yes? Yes, Cork.
I'm going to see. Do you want to meet?
I come in now with my top.
But that's not fair.
Argos sponsors Coronation Street.
Dance. Dance, Corky.
Release your energy.
Dance, Cork.
I'm not worried about. I just want to think about showing.
I couldn't get near it.
Like me. Well, let's see what mine is.
Why are you in? Come on. Out. Come on, Corky. Out. Corky.
It protects and feels bright. Plus, it's so food.
Look at you.
He doesn't want to be out, hon.
No, this strange.
I know.
He might come back out.
Can you lower the volume first
No, go.
so that I could hear him? Come on. It's out, hon. It's out.
Come on, boy. Cookie Wookie! Cookie Wookie!
He will start talking.
Ja, så är vi på det där.
Corky Wookie.
You come down.
How are you doing, Corky? How are you doing, Corky? Come on.
What?
What?
Don't get up. You.
Yeah.
Cookie! 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 Dance! Dance! Good boy!
Good boy. Are you laughing at me? I don't know what you're talking about.
You dirty boy! You dirty boy!
Ayaw.
She went on my camcorder.
What's that? What's that called? I didn't get it. What that is?
Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Doggy.
Whew, whew. I don't know how to do that. Whew, whew. Oh my god. It's too loud, Cocky. Oop, oop. It's too loud. Dance. Dance. Dance, baby. Dance. You try to call it Bim. Bim Bim. Bim Bim. Bim Bim. Where's Bim Bim, Cocky?
What are you doing behind me? We started. What are you doing behind me?